Hey guys, so today I'm teaching myself how to weld. I purchased this titanium flux 125 and yeah, I'm learning how to weld. Teaching myself. I watch videos. This was my first weld. Didn't come out too good. Let me turn it around. That was my first one. And then I went over here and did that. And went on this side and did this one. So I'm learning. I'm gonna get some rebar and try on this side. I just cleaned it off. And so I'm gonna get some rebar and just go across and practice with the rebar, just going across. Yeah, wish me luck. Bye.